Hello and welcome back to another video on how to recreate your own AR language book. In this video, we will go over how to add audio to your 3D models. So first, we will go over to the folder that contains the assets. The link to this folder is located in the description of the video. After you're inside the folder, look for the title that says Audio. Here you will find the audios that describe each of the 3D models in English. We will first start with Apple. Right-click on the apple.mp3 file and click Download. After this, go back to your project in ZappAR and select the 3D model of the apple that we previously put in the table. When selecting it, you should see the red apple image on the right side panel. Now click on Actions in that same panel. It will display that there is no action attached to the Apple 3D model. Click on the No Action drop-down and select Play Sound. This means that when people tap on the Apple 3D model in the AR experience, they will be able to hear a sound. It also comes with other options such as Animate, Play Video, links to scenes, links to social networks, and links to a web page. Now click on the button with an arrow to the right of the button that reads Browse Media Library. It will open a new window. Here search for the audio apple.mp3 which you previously downloaded. After selecting the audio name, click Open and give it a few seconds to load. Then, on the right panel, click on the audio apple.mp3, which should now be the first one in the list, or the only one, and click on it. Make sure to check the Stop Other Media. This will allow for a cleaner sound when tabbing the objects in the AR experience. Then click Save, and now your apple will say Apple when people tap on it. Now we will repeat the same process for the other objects in the room. We'll try to make this quick, but feel free to take your time as you get used to the process. Continue downloading the audio, selecting your object, clicking on Actions, selecting Play Sound, and then adding your audio in ZappAR to each of the elements. Now you know how to add audio to your augmented reality experience. In the next video, we will go over how to save your project and share it with your family and friends. See you there, and thank you for watching.